seeing. Well, it's buffering. Still buffering. Alright, finally. Can't play part 10. Got no chord.
Working part-time at the bottom line. My boss was Mr. McGee.
Go by Sam.
He told me several times that he didn't like my kind, 'cause I was a bit too easy. I was busy doing something close to nothing, but different than the day before. That's when I saw her. Ooh, yeah, so she walked in through the outdoor. She wore the raspberry beret, the kind that you find in a second-hand store. Raspberry beret, and if it was warm, she wouldn't wear much more. Raspberry beret, I think I love. Built like she was, she had nerves to ask me if I plan to do any harm. So I put her on the back of my bike and we went for a ride down by old man Johnson's farm. The old gas things, they never
Alright, let's test that out before I go too far on it. Learned that one last time. Yes, it's different. I just want to. I don't need to know. It's mostly to prove myself to others when they fucking corner me. That's the honest truth. That way I can't let them tell me. Oh crap, I'm still recording.